Central Bank of Kenya says it is now better positioned to absorb any shocks within the banking sector following a 75% increase in its paid-up capital to 35 billion shillings. According to a statement from the lender of last resort, CBK says the increase, which took place in September 2019, was necessitated by the quest to achieve greater resilience in mitigation of threats within the banking system. By law, the CBK is required to maintain a minimum capital base of 5 billion shillings, which may be increased based on deliberations with the Ministry of Finance or the National Treasury. The CBK has also indicated that on September 16, 2019, it booked 4 billion shillings into the consolidated fund, boosting the National Treasury's purse. The State Department for Housing and Urban Development has invited members of the Juakali sector to bid on a 3 billion shilling procurement order which the government is planning to roll out. Upon successful bidding, winners will be required to produce 100,000 doors and 120,000 windows for the affordable housing projects in Nairobi's Starehe and Shaurimoyo estates. The government is encouraging players in the informal sector to form associations and cooperatives in order to access opportunities as project suppliers. Successful bidders will get a 30% advance payment on the order. As the country struggles with the burden of youth unemployment, the Cabinet has approved the Kenya Youth Development Policy 2019. This policy seeks to address key issues affecting the youth, such as unemployment and youth inclusion. In a bid to facilitate ease of doing business, Cabinet has proposed to amend various business-related laws, such as the Law of Contract Act. The amendments are aimed at improving the business environment in the country so as to attract more investments and accelerate economic growth, as well as raise the country's ranking in the World Bank Ease of Doing Business Index to at least position 50 by the year 2020. Farmers focusing on specialty coffee, which refers to the topmost grade, now have a reason to smile after the government opened a coffee auction spot in Nebraska in the United States. The Zabuni Specialty Coffee Auction is set to see farmers make direct sales with international roasters, ultimately fetching better prices. The auction will feature 38,400 tons of coffee, which is equivalent to 640 bags of 60 kilograms of coffee in each bag. The coffee set to be traded includes the grade AA, AB and PB Kenyan coffee. The government says that the auction features export coffee from smallholders and small estate farmers from Nandi and Kiambu counties who have appointed Kenya Planters Cooperatives Union, that's KPCU, as their agent.